Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete your Scrabble Go account. So let's jump in right into the video and get started. Launch open the Scrabble Go application from your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the main homepage. After you are in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left-hand corner. Now, tap on the gear button at the top right and this will then open up the profile settings page. At the bottom right of this screen, you will be able to see the account deletion button. Simply tap on it. And then, if you're sure you'd like to delete your account, tap on the continue button. Remember that once you submit an account deletion request, you will lose all of your in-game progress. All of the items and virtual currency that you earned in the game will be deleted as well. You will not be able to refund the items you may have purchased within the game, and the deletion action is permanent. Once you continue deleting your account cannot be recovered. So if you're sure you'd like to delete or get rid of your account, tap on continue and it'll take you to scopely.helpshift.com website, where you'll need to go ahead and enter some of the information about you so that you can verify your identity and proceed with your account deletion. First of all, enter your username that you are using for your game. Now, on the next field, enter your email address. Right where it says how many gems you currently have in your game, go ahead and enter the gems. Enter the most recent purchase amount. Select the device's type or the model you are currently using. And from the data privacy reasons, select why you are trying to delete the account. You can also go ahead and describe all the problems that you have while playing the game. And finally, in the confirm your choice text box, type in yes and click submit. Soon after you submit your account deletion request, you will then need to verify the puzzle and you will be able to delete your Scrabble Go account. You will then receive a response from Scrabble Go stating that your account has now been deleted, and that is how you can easily get rid of Scrabble Go account if you don't want to use it anymore. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.